Hey guys, this is Mindy's monthly marketing tips. Hey guys, this is Mindy's monthly marketing tips and Starfish's once a month segment where I talk about marketing tips, tricks, and just general marketing advice to help you grow your business's online presence. Since it's the beginning of the new year, we wanted to talk about how you can successfully boost and grow your business with a set of goals and how to plan and prep for the 2023 year. Typically, it's tradition to set New Year's resolutions for yourself heading into the new year. I know for myself, I'm going to set a New Year's resolution goal of eating a lot less and being more health conscious in the things that I consume. But also, have you set a New Year's resolution goal for your business yet this year? Either way, on this episode of Mindy's monthly marketing tips, I'm going to teach you how to write goals that can actually help you boost and improve your business. So why are goals important, especially as a business owner or somebody that is looking to grow a business? Goals give you and your business a proper direction and an incentive to grow. They also help you identify what's important to you, provide motivation, and they keep you accountable for your progress. It's hard to achieve goals that you don't already have or if you don't have a concrete idea already in place. So it's important to take the time to actually think about your business and what your business needs and what it requires to actually grow, especially for the year 2023. So how do you get started in actually preparing and writing a business goal for yourself? Well, the first step is to actually look back at your business and see how it performed in the previous year. A good practice is to perform a SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So take a moment to analyze what's working and what's not working for your business. What factors could actually provide your business the potential to grow, and also what challenges might your business face in the upcoming year. Once you know where you stand, you can actually work on creating these goals for the new year. Now, while anybody can say that what they want to do is XYZ in the new year, it actually takes practice to create goals that will actually motivate you in the right direction. So an easy way to do that is to create a SMART goals. SMART goals actually stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. And you want to make sure that your goals check all of these boxes. So let's use a business that's wanting to increase their sales as an example. Increased sales, of course, is an admirable goal for any business, but it's not necessarily a goal that is designed in a smart manner. So let's see what a smart version of these goals might look like. First, we need the goal to be very specific. A specific goal answers questions like, what needs to be accomplished? And what steps do we need to take to achieve this goal? This helps you get to the heart of what you want to achieve and sets the path for what to do to even get there. So if we were to rewrite our previous example, it would sound like this. I am going to implement a Facebook ad campaign and I'm going to invest 30% of my profits in order to increase sales. Goals should also be measurable. This is a very critical piece to actually setting and achieving those goals. So set specific KPIs that will help you track your progress. In fact, Bill Hewlett said, you cannot manage what you cannot measure, and what you measure gets done. An example is I will double sales compared to Q4 in the last year. Goals should definitely be achievable. You should be ambitious with your aspirations, but it's important to maintain a realistic expectation. If you set goals that are unattainable, then you're setting yourself up for failure, and constant failure is a bad recipe for destroying your motivation as well as your self-esteem. So our hypothetical business is relatively well off and has the infrastructure to handle an increase in sales. So we can assure that this is an achievable goal. You also want to make sure that your goal is relevant to what you want to achieve. If you want to increase sales, then writing a goal of gaining social media followers would be considered an irrelevant goal. This is because while a larger social following is tangentially related, a relevant goal directly relates to what you want to achieve. So with our example, investing in an ad campaign should translate directly into an increase of sales. And lastly, SMART goals are time-bound. By providing a specific deadline, you're able to easily check and manage your progress. So this means eliminating words like later or eventually from progress check-ins, making sure that everyone is on track. So a time-bound goal would say, I want to double my sales by the end of Q1. So when you put that all together, a complete SMART goal would look like this. By using 30% of my profits to implement into Facebook ads, we will double our sales compared to sales in the previous year by the end of Q1. So I hope you found this information valuable and how to create a business growth plan in 2023. Like always, if you have any topics or anything that you would like us to discuss, please let us know in the comments. And of course, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our videos so you can get all the updates on new content that comes out each month. Thanks.